Welcome back to our English podcast. Today, we are learning how to introduce yourself correctly.
Before we begin, please remember to like and subscribe for more fun English learning lessons.
Absolutely. So, Danny, how do you usually start a conversation when you meet someone brand new?
I always start with a big smile and a very friendly hello to the other person.
That is a wonderful start. A smile is the best way to open any new conversation.
I agree. Next, I clearly say my name so the other person knows who I am.
Should we also mention where we are from when we first meet a new person, Danny?
Yes, absolutely. That's a great idea.
Yes, that is a great idea because it helps people learn a bit about your background.
Let's practice that. I will start.
Hi, my name is Lena. I am from the city.
Great. Now me.
That is a perfect example.
Now, what should we say about our job or studies? You can just say what you do for work or what you are currently studying now.
For example, you can say, I am an English teacher or I am an art student.
Exactly. It does not have to be long or complicated to be clear and very polite.
What if someone asks you how old you are?
Do you have to answer that question?
Well, that's an interesting point.
You do not have to answer if you do not want to. It is your choice.
That is true.
Nah.
Well,
Wow.
you can just smile and say you prefer not to share your age.
Let's move on to family. Is it a good topic for a simple introduction in English?
Yes, absolutely. It's a great topic. Yes, talking about brothers or sisters is a very common way to share more personal information. It's a great conversation starter.
I have one brother. He is older than me, and he loves to play soccer games. That sounds fun.
I have a younger sister who really loves to play the piano music. We have very different families, but both stories are easy to tell.
In simple English sentences.
Let's talk about pets. Do you have any animals that you keep at your home, Danny?
Well, Lena, I do. I have a very friendly brown dog named Max. He loves to run in the park.
That is so cute. I have a black cat who likes to sleep all day long.
Being a dog person.
A dog person or a cat person is such a fun way to share personality.
Our listeners should try this. Tell us if you prefer dogs or cats in the comments.
That is a great question for our fans. Now, what about our favorite foods and drinks?
Food is always a popular topic. My favorite food is definitely a hot, fresh cheese pizza.
Pizza is the best. I love mine with lots of vegetables like peppers and red onions.
What is your favorite color, Danny? Does it say anything about your personality as a person?
Let me think. I'd have to say. Let me think about that one, Lena. My favorite color is blue. because it reminds me of the calm and clear summer sky.
That is lovely. My favorite color is green because it makes me think of nature's beauty. We are learning so much about each other today just by asking these simple, fun questions. That is the goal. Introducing yourself
Is about building a connection with another person in English.
Hey, come and be morning bright. Let's talk about hobbies. What do you do when you have some free time, Lena?
I really love to paint pictures and read interesting adventure books on the weekend mornings.
Reading is a fantastic hobby. I prefer to listen to music and play soccer with friends.
You are very active. It is great to have different hobbies that make you feel happy. What about things we do not like?
Is that important to share when we introduce ourselves?
Yes, that is important to share.
It can be.
Sharing.
Sharing what you do not like helps show who you really are today.
I agree. I do not like to wait in long lines because it is very boring for me.
I totally agree with that.
Yeah.
I also do not like to wake up very early mornings.
Yeah.
We are not morning people then.
That is another fun thing to share with new friends.
So we have name, place, age, job, family, pets, hobbies, and even our likes today.
That is quite a list. But remember, you do not need to say everything at once.
That is a very important point. Just choose a few things that fit your current situation.
If you are at a new job, keep it professional, but also be friendly and kind.
If you are at a party, you can be more casual and share your fun hobbies.
It all starts with a simple hello and a clear answer to tell me about yourself. Exactly.
Exactly. Think of it as an invitation to start a new friendship with someone new today.
Yeah.
I feel like I know you much
Better now, Lena. We have had such a chat. Remember?
I feel the same, Danny. It was fun to learn about your dog and your music.
It really was.
It really was.
Our listeners can use these exact same sentences
To introduce themselves to others. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. The most important thing is to keep practicing your English.
A smile and a friendly voice will make you sound very confident to other English speakers.
Our time is almost up for today, but we want to hear from you, our listeners.
That's right. Please leave a comment below and tell us one thing about yourself to practice your English.
You can write your name, your favorite food, or what you like to do for fun.
Good idea.
We will read your comments because we love learning about all of you from everywhere today.
Thank you so much for joining us on the Slow English podcast for this fun lesson.
Yes, thank you.
Covered so much information in just a few minutes of our English practice today.
Agreed.
You can do it.
Just take a deep breath, smile, and start with your own name.
I hope all our listeners feel more confident to introduce themselves to someone new right now.
Excellent work today, Danny, and great job to everyone practicing English with us. Yeah. Thank you all so much for joining us.
Thank you for watching and listening. We will see you all in our next big episode.